so now let's test and hope nothing explode. I killed something. This is my first soldering iron, and as you can see... So yeah, this was extremely old and it was just collecting some dust, and as you can see, it doesn't work, it doesn't melt solder. The plan, very simple. Remove the inside board from this and then put it somewhere else and fix it, of course. My lungs were definitely not happy.
Yeah, look at that.
So now I need to test the hot air station to check if I had the same problem.
Air coming out is hot, so if you increase... Oh.
So, bad potentiometer, huh? Yeah.
Ouch! Shocked me. Ouch! Again, man. What? Ouch. No. It's scaring me, man. Now I'm scared of everything.
It's like they say, no? Dog bitten by snake is afraid of sausage.
Oh, shit. Shit.
And my multimeter also decided not to work.
No, not auto. It's not auto.
So I just shoved a new potentiometer that I had laying around in the holes of the bad potentiometer on the board.
Ouch!
So, in this moment, I thought, why not upgrade the soldering iron and give it a little housing? And of course I had problems with the print. Somehow they managed to bend and get out of shape. And don't say it looks like a radio. I mean, it looks like a radio, but it's not a radio. Now, if you're asking why the design is black and this came out white, I mean, maybe I messed up a little bit. Okay, let's hope nothing explodes. It broke while I was trying to solder the potentiometer line. I mean, man, like, the design is doomed. I went deep into the night to check what was wrong, but I couldn't find any problem. So, screw this, man. I'm just going to make a new one. So, I grabbed some components from the original design and just tossed into mine, and thought I had a final design. Okay, I think this design is good. So the design was simple. I just had to read the voltage from the optocoupler, pass through some amplifiers and read it to Arduino. Then I had a potentiometer that would change on set point and it would turn on and off the soldering iron. Did it make sense? In my head it makes sense. Reality is something else. So, breadboard time. Okay, so everything is connected. So, let's go. Nothing is happening. What? I mean, it's working now. Kind of. Okay, so everything is connected. So let's hope nothing blows up. Connected, it's going up. What if I disconnect? Begins to drop down. Okay, man. What I need to do is push the output of the amplifier to the A0 pin. I killed something. Shit. New one in. Okay, so it's on. Dude, are you kidding me? Did I burn the LCD display too? Shit. Okay, everything seems to be working right. See, it's falling here and it's falling there. Man, I call this good tests. The first test were good. Now I had to go to the final test, where I had to put the soldering iron in the output, and it was the final test. At least I thought it was the final test. It's not reading it correctly. There's something wrong again. Oh man. Ow! Like I can't hold it anymore. No. Screw this, man, and just put 12 volt relay in a 24 volt power supply. Look. Ooh, I got a soldering iron, man. This design was crappy, and I thought, why not use the original design? We used 26 volt AC to heat up the soldering iron. So I grabbed some components from here and try to do exactly that. Did it work? You're gonna see. And of course, I had to solder everything up with the breadboard iron. I used the breadboard iron to solder the future soldering iron. Okay, so now I believe everything is connected. Okay, man. The soldering iron is here, LCD is here, everything is connected, so when I turn on, it should light up. Okay, nothing blew up. There is something happening. New potentiometer, let's do this. Not burning this time. It's working! It's working! Yes! It's working! The only thing left to do was put everything inside, man. Look. Look, my friend. Look, my friend. And you must wonder, what does this button do? Nothing. It's already heating up. Ouch! Yeah, it is heating up. It is. Woo! Oh, yeah, bro. Yeah, that's a win. It's working, it is heating, it's here. You might ask also, what does this do? Nothing. And what does this do? Nothing.